Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to be making soya milk powder. You can see the soya beans here. We're going to select the beans, then wash it and soak it overnight to continue in the morning. Here I'm selecting the beans to remove the bad ones. I washed and peel off the skin at once before soaking it overnight. So I wash off the skin just as we wash in the beans for akara or moi moi. Peel off the skin and save it. After washing and peeling the beans, I now put it in a bowl, pour it water, cover and soak it overnight. See you in the morning. This is the next day. After about 8 hours, I soaked it in the night and this is morning. So it has doubled in size and softened. So the next thing I'll do now is to allow the water to drop a little, then I'll take it out to the sun. I'll dry it in the sun. The sun wasn't much, so I had to use the oven. I had to dry it in the oven. After drying the beans, the next thing to do is to roast it with a pan or pot. So we are roasting it. After this, the next step will be to grind it with a grinder. After roasting it for a while, you will notice that the color has changed. It has become darker, and you can eat it. When you chew it, you will know that it has fully cooked. Then it is ready to be grinded. Allow it to cool before grinding. If you have a grinding machine that can grind it so well, you don't need to sieve it. But if not, and you want a fine powder, then you need to sieve it like I'm doing. The soya milk powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container. It can stay as long as 1 month, 2 months, or even more than that. You can use it to replace your dairy milk. It can be used as protein powder. You can add it in your smoothies or milkshake. You can add it in your pap. You can enjoy it anyhow you want. In your meal, add it to your meal. It's very healthy. This is the chaff after sieving the main powder. So I'm going to grind this one again. Okay. I'm going to add this one some granules. It's also very tasty when you add the granules. That one is enough. Okay. This is a mixture of the soya beans and the granules. So here we have the soya milk powder and granite powder. It's very tasty. If you taste it, this one is very tasty, very sweet. You don't need a sweetener with this granules. So this one I can be adding it in my smoothie. Thank you.